As you can see, the guy blinks and moves his eyebrow right after the time indicator passes markers. Let me show you how it's done. Here I have a composition with a vector head. I'll create a simple blink animation. I select both eyes, press S to reveal the scale, turn off the proportional scale and set first keyframes. We don't care exactly where. Then I create the last keyframes where the eyes are already opened. And I set the scale to 2% somewhere in the middle to close the eyes. Then I select all the keyframes, press F9 to make the animation smoother and the blink is ready. Now I need a null object. I will name it control. The markers will be placed on it. I check that the layer is selected and press the asterisk key on numpad. This will add an empty marker to the layer. To add a name to it, I simply double-click on it. Let it be blink. Now I'm going to put my composition with the setup into a new composition. It will be called animation. With a right click, I enable time remapping on the layer. I hold the Alt key and click on a stopwatch. Here I insert the expression. You can find it in the description. Nothing happens after that, but that's fine. To trigger the animation, I need to create markers. Again, with the layer selected, I press the asterisk key and give the exact same name to this marker here. Now the guy starts to blink. I can duplicate the marker to make him blink twice. If I want, I can add as many animations as I like, and it doesn't have to be just a single action. An animation can have a beginning and an end. For example, I can lower his eyebrow slightly, as if he's a bit flustered. That will be the beginning. And after that, I will return his face back to normal. But that will already be a different marker. As a result, there will be two markers. The one that raises his eyebrow and the one that lowers it. To trigger this animation, I need to enter the new name that I gave to the marker. Concern in, here. And concern out, here. All animations are now triggered by markers. And I can make him stay with that emotion for as long as I want to, even until the end of the timeline. And basically that's it. Just one little tip. When you finish typing the marker name, don't press enter. Because you'll create a new line, marker names will not match and the expression won't work. To make it work, I delete the line I just created and press OK. The names now match and everything runs.